Welcome back everyone. This is day 44, practicing and speaking English to be more fluent and confident. And in this video I am going to share a real learning that I did today and what I learned from that and how much confidence I gained while doing that task, and how helpful was it to me and how much it motivated me to keep myself continuous in the manner of learning and practicing. So in the morning today, in everyday morning I used to listen a English podcast, but earlier days I was just listening to them thoroughly. I was listening what words they are speaking, and at the last there came a point when they deliver so many vocabularies that are that can be used in everyday speaking. So what do? I just catch those vocabulary and try to create my own sentences, and in that manner I try to deliver my sentences to me, so that I can be able to memorize the vocabulary and I can use them in my real life speaking. But today I thought that why I should not make a pause on the video and try to speak that one sentence that he is delivering. So in the starting, when I paused and I tried to speak the sentence, I was able to speak. Then I thought, okay, so in this manner, if I am able to frame the sentence in the manner he has delivered, it means that I have a strong connection over this and I can catch every single word, and they are not to me for the first time. Like when we are listening to any word in English and that is for us to first time, then it is hard to us to believe that okay, such kind of word even exists, or where I am making mistakes, that I am not able to get these words and I am not able to understand what is he speaking. So in this manner I was thinking, I want to share one idea that whenever we listen any new word and if we are able to understand that word, it means that we can speak that word too. So in that manner, what you have to do, you have to make a pause on that video and you have to make exact sentence that is being delivered in front of you. And I made this one improvement in my speaking today, and you can see how much confident I am. And even though when I was doing that, I was able to match the what to say, whenever we are speak there, you can see that there is something genetic, means we speak English in accent manner, but whenever we speak, it easily everyone can know that okay, we are not following the accent that is used in speaking on everyday basis. So when I was repeating the sentences that he was delivering in front of me, I was able to copy the accent too. So here comes the great learning, that if you are the one who is facing so much struggle while making the words in while putting your words exactly in that accent in which it must be delivered, so you have to do nothing. Whenever you are listening to any podcast or any video or anything, then what you have to do, if you think that okay, his accent is very powerful and he is speaking very good, so in that manner you have to make a pause on that video and you have to said exact words and exact sentences in your own way, like means by your own. So in this manner, when you will practice, so you will get an idea that okay, so this word can be speak in this manner and this sentence can be framed in this manner, and where I have to take pause, where I have to keep myself continuous to get that part by which I can, so that okay, I have the knowledge of accent in English and I can speak very fluently and with more with more comfort with full comfort, and it will help me to remove my vulnerability that I am facing nowadays whenever I am speaking. So this was the best learning that I learned from the podcast today. I was thinking, even though I am able to understand the podcast, then and I am able to frame the sentences or the structure in which he is delivering the speech, then what is the profit of or what is the advantage of watching the podcast every day and making giving them my great time, okay, or precious time. So this comes to me today, and believe me, I have not seen it from anywhere. I just made myself curious that what if he is delivering in front of me, and if I am able to speak those words in that accent and in that manner I can create sentence, then how helpful it would be for me. So I just did that, and I was very amazed by that progress, and I feel very confident at that time. But there came one drawback, that was, even when the podcast length was 28 minutes, I took approximately 1 hours, because I was pausing the video, then I was speaking that, then I was trying to match the tone, and I was trying to match the accent. But it was very helpful for me, so I thought that I must share it with you all, those who ever are watching me and those who ever are learning with me English to uh, uh, to enhance their speaking, so it would be helpful for them too. So this was the great learning that I learned today from my regular podcast that I used to watch. And in the today's video, the length have become to 6 minutes. There are still 4 minutes remaining, and I have to speak because I have taken a challenge that I will speak every day for 10 minutes. And what I learned today I learned that when you are living with people who are not real to your nature, like when I was in my childhood, I have read one दोहा. दैट दोहा वाज, रहमन निज मन की व्यथा का करी सकत कुसंग, चंदन विष व्यापत रहे लिपटे रहत भुजंग. Means whenever we are positive by our own mind, and if we are living with the people who are not believing in that sort of manner or in that sort of mind, or they do not have that positivity in their mind, they are always used to indulge in bad activities, so in that manner we get affected. But what we have to do, we have to keep ourselves controlled, and we have to believe in ourselves. So in that manner we will be able to continue ourselves in that manner, in which manner we want to make our progress, that may be more impactful, and that can be with us for the longer time. So and so what I did, I kept this in my mind, and I thought, if I am living with such people, and if I will behave like different, then there will be no then there will be no match of my vibe to them, and I will feel very alone by my own. So what I have to do, I have to keep myself to be like them, so that they can have some interest in me, and I can have the friends too. But in the starting it was good, and I was managing everything. But later I thought that why I have to change, why I should change myself to be the friend of someone else. Why I have to make the people my friend, those who are not like me? Why I am going for them? What are the scarcity, or what are the things that I want in my life to make them my friends? So I said myself that I have to create my own world, and I have to go over there. But till that time, when it is not possible, I have to keep myself silent, and I must not get indulged in doing such activities, because it will not only distract me, but it will also make such situation in which I will lose my control, and I will get so high level of dopamine in that manner, and it will affect my overall learning journey, time, peace, time management, and everything. And in the best manner, what it will affect, it will affect my overall morale that I have learned from my overall journey, and in my overall life. So in that manner, at that place where you are not feeling comfortable, you have to keep yourself shut, and try to be more calm at that place, and make your mouth shut. And today I realized that why people said listen more and speak less. Means the people who is really intellectual by his own mind, and he think that if the place is not good to speak, and if we will try to speak anything, then the people surround him will made him will think him that he is fool. So you have to be shut over there, and such kind of situation is going through me. So I thought that I have to keep myself shut, and when the things will change, or when the scene will change, I'll be in my real form. For that time, whenever this struggle phase is going on to me, I have to keep myself shut, and I have to just watch everything, and I have to learn whatever positivity can be learned from that situation. I have to go through that, but I am not required to change myself. And I have watched a movie, Surya the Soldier, of Allu Arjun.